Impact. 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 Hey guys, Sam Miller from Untitled Precision. This is my son Jake. Today we're going to do a little video that talks about what we did to build him his own competition rifle.
Hi, my name is Jake Millard, and today I'm going to tell you all about my new competition rifle. First of all, this is a Krieger barrel, number 17 contour with a 1-in-8 twist. It is finished at 26 inches and it has a 4-port defensive edge muzzle brake. It is chambered in 260 Remington, and we did all the machine work ourselves. This is built on a left-hand Surgeon 591 Action. It's basically the left-hand version of my dad's rifle. This is a McMillan adjustable A5 stock. Its marbling color is 50% black, 25% white, and 25% light gray. This is a Surgeon bottom metal used with a Timney Calvin Elite single-stage trigger. This scope is my favorite part of the rifle. It is the Bushnell XRS2 with the G3 reticle. It has amazing glass and has been 100% reliable. With 20 MOA built into the Surgeon Action, I have 20 mils of elevation to work with above my zero. To keep everything level, I have the accuracy first left-hand scope level. I use a Harris 6-9 bipod with really cool spikes and extensions, and they're sold by my good friend Doug Glorfield. Well, that's pretty much it. It's been shooting well with 142 grain Match Kings at 2,800 feet per second. Today's actually the first time I've been able to shoot long range.
And he's been shooting pretty damn well. So anyway, this was Jake's first solo video, so I think he did pretty well. That was a pretty good rundown of Jake's rifle. As he mentioned, this is pretty much a left-handed version of the rifle I built last year that we had in that load development series. Like he said, we're out at Rock Lake Rifle Range right now. This is an awesome place to shoot. We had some fog when we showed up, a little bit of wind here and there, but right now it's pretty calm. Jake connected at 1,270 yards, like it was nothing. The drops on this look like they're going to turn out pretty well. Yep, exactly like they're supposed to be on the Kestrel. So it's all downhill from here, right?
Yep.
We're going to be doing a video series on all this stuff with Jake's rifle, his shooting, along with him using a Kestrel and all of his reloading and all that kind of stuff. So be sure to follow him on Instagram. His handle is @PanhandleJake. All of his content and everything is just going to flow through Panhandle Precision instead of trying to make up a whole nother YouTube channel. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Nice shooting, Tex.
Thanks.